Welcome to the latest edition of Rare Diseases Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks, brought to you by Lucid Quest. In the UK, MHRA proposed an accelerated rare disease route, considering a single early authorization covering clinical trial application and marketing for small population therapies, based on limited evidence with strict safety monitoring and planned real-world evidence reviews. A full framework is expected next year, with potential to scale screening, initiation, and follow-up. In the US, FDA granted orphan drug designation to desidustat, an oral HIF-PHI for beta-thalassemia. Preclinical data indicate increased hemoglobin and red blood cells. ODD confers tax credits, fee waivers, and up to 7-year exclusivity, signaling modality expansion. FDA approved KYGEVVI doxycytine plus doxribtimine for thymidine kinase 2 deficiency, with symptom onset equal to or less than 12 years. Evidence included Phase 2 studies, chart reviews, and expanded access, with 82 treated and an approximately 86% lower risk of death versus matched untreated controls. First approved therapy for TK2 deficiency. EMA's CHMP issued a positive opinion recommending EU authorization of Waskyra, an ex vivo gene therapy for Wiskott-Aldrich syndrome developed at SR Target. Delivery is planned via IRCCS Ospedale San Raffaele. A US ballet remains under FDA review. Competition could influence price and access. FDA granted orphan designation to OBI-902, a TROP2-targeting antibody drug conjugate built on the glycobi platform with a topoisomerase I payload for cholangiocarcinoma. A Phase 1-2 trial is ongoing in the United States and Taiwan. FDA granted orphan designation to tinostamustine for malignant gliomas. This agent combines an alkylator with panhistone deacetylase inhibition and is advancing within the GBM AGILE adaptive platform. Nord opened an RFP to fund 2 IAMRARE patient registries via RDCA-DAP. Applications run from 15th of November 2025 to 10th of January 2026, with support for IRB, protocol design, surveys, and advisory boards, and discounted fees for members. This could expand screening and longitudinal follow-up. FDA leaders outlined a plausible mechanism pathway for individualized therapies when randomized trials are infeasible. Approvals would rest on clear biology, target engagement, and consecutive patient successes, with post-marketing real-world evidence required. Stay ahead in rare diseases research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.